Hello friends, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's play 8 fun games using a ball. You will need a ball that fits comfortably in your hand. For more challenge, choose a smaller ball. To make it a little easier, find a bigger ball. Also get a pencil, 2 cups, and when we finish, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Game number 1. Let's roll the ball between the palms of your hands. Try to move your hands in circles. You have 10 seconds. Go! Game number 2. Let's roll the ball on the table back and forth using both hands. Right, left. You have 10 seconds. Start. Game number 3. Can you try tossing your ball from one hand to another? Right, left. Do it for 10 seconds. Try not to drop it. Game number 4. Get your 2 cups and transfer the ball from one cup to another. You try it. You have 10 seconds. Start. Game number 5. Let's build a bridge and roll the ball under it. Can you copy me by building the same? Roll the ball to the right, then to the left. Keep going. You have 10 seconds. Game number 6. Let's try to do some bowling. Build a tower using 2 cups and knock them down 5 times. Ready? Start. Game number 7. Let's drop the ball to the table and catch it with one hand. Start with your right. Drop and catch. 10 seconds. Go. Try it with your left now. Let's do both. 10 seconds. Go. Game number 8 is our last game. Let's bounce the ball on the table and catch it using the cup. Bounce and catch. Try not to drop it to the floor. Go. Great job, guys. Now it's time to open the Kinder Egg. It's a nutcracker. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!